Hello my dears, how are you today? Fine. Okay, good. You are safe at home now? Not going out of the home? Yes. Okay, today we will learn English subject. What we will learn? We will learn English subject. Okay? And you know in which class you are? You are in LKG. In which class you are? You are in LKG. Okay? We have learned formation of letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. After J, what will come? K. K. Okay. What will come? K. Which letter will come? K. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Which letter we will today learn? K. Which letter? K. Today we will learn formation of letter K. Okay, K for kite. K for kite. Okay. You fly kite? Okay. K for key. K for key. We open the door. When we lock the door, we open the door with key. Key. Okay. K for key. There are keys now to start your car, your scooty, your bike. Yes. K for king. K for king. Who is this? This is king. Okay. K for kite. K for key. K for king. Okay. Now today we will learn formation of letter K. What we will learn? Formation of letter K. Okay. Look here. How many dots were given? 3 dots are given. How many dots are given? 3 dots were given. Okay. 2 dots on the upper line and 1 dot on the base line. 2 dots on the upper line and 1 dot on the base line. So how you will write? Standing line. Then from middle line you have to write slanting line and then again slanting line. Which letter will form? Letter K. Which letter will form? Letter K. Okay. K for kite. K for key. K for king. Okay. Again look here. How many dots were given? 3 dots. How many dots were given? 3 dots. Okay. So first standing line, then slanting line, then again slanting line. Which letter will form? K. Which letter will form? K. Again look here. How many dots were given? 3 dots. How many dots were given? 3. So first standing line, then from middle slanting line, then again slanting line. So which letter will form? Letter K. K for kite. K for key. K for king. Okay. K for kite. K for key. K for king. K for kitchen. There are so many things from K. Okay. Again look here. All of us sit straight. Fold your hands and sit straight. Okay, and finger on your lips. You have to look here at the board that how you have to write letter K in proper lines. Okay, so look here. Fold your hands like this. All of you fold your hands like this and finger on your lips. Okay, look here. Standing line, then slanting line, and again slanting line. Which letter will form? Letter K. Which letter will form? Letter K. Okay. Then again look here. All of you look here. What you will do? Standing line. Then from middle slanting line and again slanting line. Letter K. Which letter is this? Letter K. K for kite, K for key, K for king. Okay, you have to write properly on the lines. Whenever you are writing, you have to take eraser sharpener with you. Okay, yes, standing line, then slanting line, then again slanting line. Which letter? Letter K. K for key, K for king, K for kite, K for kitchen. Okay? Yes. Very good. Yes, very good. You are sitting very nice. Don't make noise. Okay. Look here. Look here. How you will write K? First, standing line, then slanting line from the middle line, then again slanting line from the middle line. Which letter will form? Letter K. Okay, raise your right hand. All of you raise your right hand. Now, I am standing like you. Okay, then how you will write? You will write standing line, then slanting line up, then slanting line down. Okay, what will it form? Letter K. Do with me. Standing line, then from middle, slanting line up, then from middle, slanting line down. Okay? Yes, look here. All of you look here. Fold your hands and look here at the blackboard. Standing line, then up, then down. Okay, what will it form? Letter K. K for kite, K for king, K for key. Okay, and K for kitchen also. Your mother work in kitchen? Your mother work in kitchen now? Yes. Okay, look here all of you. Look at the board. Standing line, then one line up, one line down. K. Which letter will form? Letter K. Today we have learned to form letter K. K for kite, K for key, K for king, K for kitchen. Okay. K for kingfisher. It's a bird, kingfisher. Okay. We have learned to form letter K. Now what we will learn? After K, which letter will come? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Which letter will come? Letter L. Okay. G, H, I, J, K, L. G, H, I, J, K, L. Which letter will come? Letter L. After K, which letter will come? Letter A. You have to repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, will learn to form letter L. What we will learn now? We will learn to form letter L. Okay. Do you know what is from letter L? What's come from letter L? Lamp. Do you have lamp at your home? Yes. L for leaf. You have seen a leaf on the on the tree leaf. Lips. L for lips. With lips. We have lips. Yes. L for lemon. I have shown you lemon. Okay. L for lion. Lion is also there. L for. Okay. Now look at the board. Look at the board. All of you fold your hands. Finger on your lips and sit straight and look at the board. Yes. There are 2 dots. How many dots were there? 2 dots are there. On the upper line and on the base line. Upper line and base line. Okay. First standing line, then sleeping line. Which letter is this? L. Standing line, then sleeping line. Which letter will form? Letter L. Which letter is this? Letter L. L for lamp, L for leaf, L for lip, L for lion. Okay, L for lemon. And L for lock. Lock is also there. Where K for key and L for lock. We put lock and after that we turn the key now. Yes. So L for lock. Okay. Now again there were how many dots were there? 2 dots were there. How many dots? 2 dots. Okay. So how you will write? How you will write letter L? First standing line, then sleeping line. Standing line and then sleeping line. L. Which letter is this? L. L for lamp. L for leaf. L for lips. Okay. Look here. How many dots were there? Yes, tell me how many dots were there? 2 dots were there. 1 dot is on the upper line and 1 dot is on the base line. So how you will write? Standing line and then sleeping line. Standing line, then sleeping line. Okay, so which letter will form? Letter L. Which letter will form? Letter L. Okay. L for lamp, L for leaf, L for lips. Okay. Yes. Again look here all of you. Again look here. 1 dot is on the upper line and next dot is on the base line. So we will, how you will write? First standing line and after that sleeping line. Standing line and then sleeping line. Which letter will form? Letter L. Which letter will form? Letter L. Which letter will form? Letter L. So standing line and then sleeping line. Standing line and then sleeping line. L. Which letter will form? Letter L. Okay, look here again. Standing line, then sleeping line. L. Which letter is this? L. L for lamp, L for leaf, L for lips. Okay. Again, look here. Standing line, then sleeping line. Standing line and then sleeping line. L for lamb, leaf, leaves, lion. Okay, again all of you look here. Standing line and then sleeping line. Standing line and then sleeping line. Which letter will form? Letter L. Standing line, sleeping line. Which letter will form? Letter L. Okay. L for lamp, L for leaf, L for lips. Today we have learned to form letter K and letter L. What we have learned today? We have learned to form letter K and letter L. K for kite, K for key, K for king, K for kitchen, where your mama make foods for you. Yes. L for lamp, L for leaf, L for lips. Okay. L for lamp, L for leaf, L for lips, L for lion, L for lemon. Okay. We have learned two letters, K for kite and L for lion. Okay. How many letters we have learned to form? Two letters, K and L. Okay. Okay. Now look here all of you. Look at the board. Yes, look at the board. We have learned some of the side words. Okay. Okay, first we will sing a song. Okay. ABCD song. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I learn my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Did you enjoy? Okay, then repeat after me. Okay, one more time we will sing the song. So you have to repeat after me. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I learn my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay. Let us revise what we have learned to form. We have learned to form letter A for apple, aeroplane. Then B for ball, B for bat, B for bell. C for cup, C for cat. Okay. Then after C, which letter will come? A, B, C, D. After C, which letter will come? D. D for door. D for dot. D for dog. Okay. A, B, C, D. After D, which letter will come? Letter E. Which letter will come? Letter E. Okay. After E, tell me which letter will come? Yes, letter F. After E, which letter will come? Letter F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes, after F, G. Which letter will come? G. A, B, C, D, E, C, D, E, F, G, H. After H, I. Okay. G for gun. G for green. G for grapes. H for hat. H for house. I for ice cream. Igloo. Iron. Okay. G, H, I. After I, which letter will come? Yes, which letter is this? J. J for joker. J for jar. Okay. G, H, I, J. After J, which letter will come? K. Which letter will come? K. Today we have learned to form letter K. Okay. K for kite. K for king. K for key. Okay. G, H, I, J, K. After K, which letter will come? Yes. L. Yes, which letter will come? L. L for lion. L for lamp. L for leaf. Okay. We have learned A to L. Okay. Okay. Now we will learn sight word. Okay. You have to repeat after me. What you have to do? You have to repeat after me. Okay. Okay. I am a girl. I. Okay. Then my. My. This is my book. This is my pen. Okay. This is my school. My. My. Repeat after me. My. Okay. Then after my, so. So. There are so many children in my class. There are so many friends. Okay, after that, go. Go. I go to my school. Okay, I like to go to my school. I like to go at my native place. Very good. Okay, repeat after me. I am a girl or I am a boy. My. This is my school. So. There are so many friends. Go. I go to my school. Okay. We have learned sight words. So you have to repeat at your home. Okay. You have to not to write. You have to repeat at your home. Today I have taught you letter K and L. So letter K and L you have to write in your notebook. Half page of letter K and half page of letter L. And with the help of your parents, ask your parents to draw one picture. Okay? Tell your parents to draw one picture. Picture of K, kite. Picture of L, lion or lamp, leaf. Okay? K for key. You have to draw the picture, one picture up and then you have to write letter K down. Half page of letter K and half page of letter L. And I am not receiving your work. I am not receiving your work. So you have to send your work daily to me. Okay? You have to send your work daily to me. Okay? Some of the children are not sending me their work. I have not seen their work. So you have to send your work daily to me. Whatever I am giving you work now, you have to send me daily. Okay? So we have done this. So be safe at your home. Okay? Bye. Have a nice day. We will meet again.